So in this video I'm going to discuss this find an integer problem which occurred in today's CODECHEF challenge. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram, or even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. So it states that this is the number of test cases. Okay, number of test cases, and in every test case you're given two integers x and y. You have to find a number n such that n plus y is divisible by x and n plus x is divisible by y. Now a very simple approach to this question is not to use the for loop, because if you use a loop and check, because n is ranging till 10 to the power 18, I guess, yeah, 10 to the power 18. So this will be a very bad approach. Okay, this will be a very bad approach to use a for loop. Very bad approach. So what we are going to do is we have to find a number. Let's say the number should be n. So n should be x into y minus x minus y. Now let's put this value over n. So see, xy minus x minus y plus y, and this number would be xy minus x minus y plus x, right? Y and y cancels out, x and x cancels out. What is this? X into y minus 1, right? And this is y into x minus 1, right? See, this is divisible by x, yes, this is divisible by y, right? So this is the basic thing. Okay, the answer n would be this. Now there is one more thing that you have to do, that is if it has been given that n should be greater than equal to 1. Okay, so what if n is lesser than 0? Okay, like let's say n, the value of n can be according to this. If x and y both are 1, or any one is 1, then n becomes 1, because let's say x is 1, so y minus 1 minus y, that becomes minus 1. And if y is 1, then it becomes x minus 1 minus x. So that is basically the same thing, that both the things makes the n equals to minus 1. And if x and y equals to 2, both are equal to 2, then that becomes 4 minus 2 minus 2, that is n equals to 0. So in both these cases it is not possible. Okay, so if n is equal to minus 1, we can do one thing, make n is equals to maximum of x comma y minus 1. I will tell you why. And else, if n is equals to 0, that is both the things are equal to 2, in that case we know n is equals to 2, won't make a change. And if after doing this, that equal to minus 1, after solving this, again n is equals to minus 1, then we can make n is equals to 5, because it has been given in the question that if both of them are 1, then answer would be 5. Okay, so see, check this out, maximum of x comma y minus 1. Okay, so we don't know whether x is 1 or y is 1. So what this makes, maximum of x comma y is the non-1 integer. Okay, non-1 integer when both any one of them is 1. Okay, the non-1. So let's say 1 comma 5. Okay, x was 1 and y was 5. So what is the non-1 integer? That is 5. So 5 minus 1. Okay, so the 5 minus 1 is the answer, because if 5 minus 1 plus 1, that is divisible by 5, because it is actually 5, and 5 minus 1 plus 5 is actually what the, okay, so it's actually 5 plus 5 minus 1, that is 9. Any number should be divisible by 1. So we don't need to check this, we just need to check this, that we have to make this equal to this number. Okay, this equal to this number. But again, another exception occurs. What if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1? In that case, maximum of x comma y, that is a non-1, there is nothing which is non-1, so it will consider 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay, so now this will be a problem. I'm really sorry about one thing. This won't be n is equals to minus 1, this will be n equals to 0. Okay, so first of all, you have to make n is equals to x into y minus x minus y. Then check if n is equals to minus 1, then n is equals to maximum of x comma y minus 1. else if n is equals to 0, n is equals to 2, and after done this, if n is equals to 0, n is equals to 5. Okay, and then print n. This is the basic code. Okay, this is the explanation, this is the basic explanation part, and this is also the basic explanation part. I hope this is clear. Thank you.